welcome to my channel, and today I will show you some website design templates that will help you to make a wonderful design. As you know, I am a SEO specialist and website designer. I am also WordPress theme customizer. I can customize any type of WordPress website. I can customize any type of demo and do whatever you likes. If you need any type of help regarding SEO assistance, SEO or website designing or social media marketing, I can help you to make your dreams come true. So let's have a look at some design that I can easily customize, and you will love to work with these designs in your website. So let's get into the screen. So I was searching for the Ocean P theme, and this Ocean P theme have some wonderful demos. As you can see, this is a hosting related demo. If you want to open your website web hosting business, you can use this demo. Let's have a look at starting at 6.95 per month. It's a cloud hosting service provider, and this is the features, the feature sections. This is the company section. You can write about your company here. You can add your own image. So this is the features, and this is the customer review option. Suppose you are selling hosting, lots of pupils, they can share their reviews and you can post it here, and here you can add your phone number. If you look at the about us, why choose our company, in here you will add some we will add some image, one image, and we will add the information about your company. Then our plans, this is the pricing plans of your cloud hosting. Suppose someone want the starter plan, he will click here, buy now, and pay, you will get the service. And this is the 3 plans. We can add more plans here. This is the blog section. You can write some blogs about website or anything you want. And this is the contact us page. Through contact us page, people who are interested in your service or want to send message to you can send here. So this is another website demo. This is a book related demo. Let's have a look. Pyramid, the Ancient Mystery. One of this book can be purchased by paying $9.9. So if you want to start your book company, you can choose this demo. The features of this book company is they are offering fast delivery, free shipping, and 24/7 support. This is the author of the website or owner of the website, I guess. And here is the weekly bestseller option. Even you can get also audiobooks. These are the some audiobooks. Here are the download section. This website also have blogs and the contact page. So this is a designer demo. Freelancer who want to showcase their designs, showcase their portfolio to the clients can use this demo. Here you will get your own picture, on time delivery, great exchange, best price, some description about the freelancer, some reviews we can see. And here is the portfolio sector. You can add your own portfolio of designs. And this is the service sections. This sections just rocks. You suppose you are offering 5 services, you can also add here your 5 services. So this is a very good designed. This is a one-page design. This is digital marketing based demo. Wow, this is amazing. Digital marketing. Here it is the demo. Then this is the about us section, why choose us section, services, how does it work, case studies, testimonial. This is a beautiful demo, I guess, and I think I will use this demo in my website. So I will keep it here. So this is any type of service. Suppose you are plumbing service or rental service or any bridge construction service related company you have, you can use this demo. Let's have a look at. This is the founders section. This is the review section. This is the booking service section. Suppose someone in your area need cleaning in their house, so they will click here, add to cart, and a team will come, and this is the payment section, and you will get your payment, and you can also offer provide service. This is the interior design company should use this demo. Let's have a look at some portfolio they have. This is the client section and latest from the blogs. This is learning platform, learning based website, learn a new language. Good one. It's a good website. Suppose you want to provide service regarding language, you want to teach people different types of language, you can use this demo. Just look at this, what a beautiful demo it is. About is the difference about page we have found. Find a course, sign up and learn, get a certificate. Wow, this you can also provide certificates, courses. You can have lots of courses, some can be free, some can be paid. This is a blog, a normal blog. This is a portfolio based website, personal website. People who love photography can have this website. This is a designer's website. Suppose you are a graphics designer or website designer, you can use this demo for your own website, and here you can showcase your portfolio, your designs. If we click about us, here is the about us sections, our team. This is the designer section. So this is another digital marketing demo. Let's have a look at. We are a digital agency, about our agency, custom branding. Not so beautiful. It's a normal demo, look alike. This is a portfolio based website. Yes, Jacob, UI designer and web developer. About Jacob, here you can post your about section, professional skills, his portfolio, experience, and some blogs. One page website. This is a fitness related website. If you want to provide fitness related service like consulting or gym or anything else, you can use this demo for your own website. This is the header image, about a section. This is the thing you are offering, your trainers, advantages, even and the pricing tables, some testimonials, the blogs. The blog section is good. Let's have a look at how blogs there look like. Okay, it will work, not bad. And this is another fitness related website. Design the web in your image. This is startup. Suppose you want to start your website design company or your SEO company or any company, you can use this demo as your startup website. Let's have a look at. Here is the about us section, different, a little bit different. Our news, I mean this is the blogs. Most of the time people used to use news page as their blog. Then this is another corporate business. হ্যাঁ ঘুমাইতে যাইছিলাম একটু সো দিস ইজ দ্য লিগ্যাল ম্যানেজমেন্ট কনসাল্টিং লয়ার কোম্পানি the first step let's have a look at and this is the designer website demo graphic designers can use this let's have a look at a beautiful design in all these ocean themes I have just chosen this one as the best one colorful so for my own portfolio I will use this website I mean this demo I just love it and I will use it for my website today and I will create video for it for sure and there are lots of demos out there I have not seen or not used oh I have not showed this so this is we are a web design agency let's have a look at beautiful one this section is also beautiful so talented team clients one page website nice one so if you want any of these designs and if you want any website design service you can message me in my WhatsApp you can browse me in my website or also you can send me or you can hire me through Upwork I have Upwork my Upwork own account I am running my Upwork profile since 2012 and working as a SEO specialist and website designer I have my own website rahansani.com and it's under construction and you can also send me message to my mobile phone so thank you for watching my video